Today I want to share with you an incredible natural feed for zucchinis and cucumbers that makes them grow like crazy. In just a few days, you'll start to notice the difference. What's even better, this mixture also helps protect them from fungal diseases like powdery mildew, as well as from all kinds of pests. We begin with the first ingredient, 1 tablespoon of rolled oats. These are ground into a fine powder using a coffee grinder to make them easier to mix with water. Oats are a great source of potassium and other minerals, and they're rich in organic matter, which improves soil structure and supports beneficial microbes. When dissolved in water and used as a liquid feed, they provide a balanced boost for both foliage growth and fruit development in zucchinis. You can even add some banana peel for extra potassium. And by the way, let us know in the comments where you're watching from. Thanks so much. Pour the oat powder into half a liter of hot water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of nettle tea. Nettle is packed with nitrogen, iron, calcium, and magnesium, nutrients that strengthen plants and speed up their growth. It encourages chlorophyll production and boosts resistance to disease, which is especially helpful for zucchinis early in the season. As a liquid preparation, nettle becomes a powerful fertilizer that strengthens plants and improves soil fertility. And finally, add half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Garlic acts as a natural fungicide and insect repellent, thanks to compounds like allicin, which has strong antimicrobial and repelling effects. When dissolved in water and applied to plants, it can help prevent fungal infections like mildew and mold, while also deterring common garden pests such as aphids, ants, caterpillars, moles, and even mice. Let the mixture sit for 24 hours, then strain it and dilute it with another half liter of water. So it's about 1 tablespoon of each ingredient per liter of liquid. Water your plants with this every 15 days, using around 250 milliliters per plant. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's completely free. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.